Here's 3 simple tips to help you lose fat faster. Number 1, make sure you're in a caloric deficit. There's no way around this. A caloric deficit is just consuming fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. So drop your calories by about 250 to 500 calories per day, and that should get you off to a great start. Number 2, make sure that you're having protein and veggies with every meal, whether you're doing 3 meals a day or you're doing intermittent fasting, 2 meals a day, whatever it may be. Go ahead and have protein every single time that you eat so that you can ensure that you're holding on to your muscle mass as you're starting to lose weight, because you don't want to put yourself at risk for losing muscle, right? You want to lose fat. And then obviously you need to take in your veggies for your vitamins, your minerals, fiber, all those good things. Number 3, don't give up all the foods that you enjoy, because you want this to be somewhat enjoyable and sustainable, more importantly. And depending on how much weight you actually have to lose, that's going to determine the length of time that you're going to be dieting. And if you don't enjoy the diet that you're doing, it's going to be really hard to stick with for the long term. And what happens if you actually do lose the weight on foods that you don't enjoy? You're going to go back to eating the foods that you did enjoy and then gain the weight back. So make sure that you're learning better habits instead of just trying to completely switch your diet and still have some of the foods that motivate you to eat. Just eat less of them and prioritize knowing how many calories you're taking in on a daily basis. Hope that helped. Make sure to hit that follow button and share this video with somebody that needs it.